Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit text box shadow in Apple number sheet. Now I'll edit this text box shadow, select your text box and select this format option and select this style, and here you will find the shadow option. Here you can see shadow blur and see this. Also you can change offset and this shadow opacity and this shadow angle, and this is shadow color. You can say shadow color, you can add custom color and see this, and theme color red is red color, and shadow color I'll increase, and change shadow angle. In this way you can change or edit a text box shadow. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.